Payment proof in 3 seconds. And here is the payment proof. Today, almost made $900. And this week crossed $1,300 mark. And this is second day of the week. Today, I want to show you a very cool trick for you to make money right now, without having any social media. Listen, all I ask you to do is this: go ahead and subscribe to Mr. Investor, so you don't miss out my latest tricks to make easy money. You don't need to create any videos. Even if you have $0, it doesn't matter. By the end of watching this video, you are ready to make your first payment online. So make sure you keep watching and don't miss out on any important steps. Before we go into the video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my brand new videos. The great thing about this is worldwide. All around the world. So it doesn't matter where you live on the planet. If you have $0, no nothing. I'm going to show you how to make easy money right here in this video. I'm going to be very transparent on how to do this. But if you don't do the work, you're going to make $0. Okay? If you don't take action of what you're about to expose in this video, it doesn't matter what video you watch. But if you don't take action now, it won't work for you. It doesn't take any money, it takes about less than 20 minutes to do it per day, and listen, you can do this. And the site you're gonna need is slideshare.com. This is slideshare.com. I'm gonna go very slow because I want you to get this and start making money immediately here. And I'm gonna show you exactly what this trick is. I'm going to expose it to you. So, SlideShare is basically a website where people like you upload articles to the site, and they get paid a lot of money doing this. And I'm gonna show you the trick on how they're doing this. Over 10 million people per month go to slideshare.com, and I'm explaining how that works. So, see, SlideShare has got millions of views. That is why we are gonna use it to make money. Today Top Slide almost got 1 million views. How that works. So, I want you to come over to this site, upload a file. You have to put a document in it, and you get paid every day. Don't worry, you don't have to write any articles. Because, I know a lot of you don't know how to write. I know a lot of you are lazy, I get it. But, I will show you a site where you can literally copy the articles, paste it in document, and make money. No copyright, no nothing. So what you need for this to work is a LinkedIn account. Log in or sign up. If you're a brand new person, listen, step number 1, you must have a LinkedIn account. LinkedIn, it is free, so go get one now. So go get a free LinkedIn account because it's the fastest way to create an account on this platform. I'm going to assume you've already done that. Now go to this site called Digistore24.com. This is an affiliate platform. These are the people that's going to pay you. So it's important to go here, get a free account. It is worldwide. Get a free DG Store, Digistore24 account. Are you still with me? And listen, I have different ways to make money online. Because, I've been doing this for a long time. I wanted to come to this official site. Click on the marketplace, and here, you can see the different products that you can sell and make money. Here they are selling money like 85% commission, that is $132, and here 50% commission $200, and so on. So, I want you to go to this place. Here you can find a different products. I want you to go for dating. Dating, the first one is his secret obsession, which you can promote now by clicking here, which is 46 Canadian dollars. Or you can search for some more. This one, I want to sell this one. Dating coach certification program. I want to sell his own because it is 50% commission, which is giving me $1,500 one-time payment. One click, I get $1,500. You can search for products like this and make money. A person clicking here, I'm going to get $1,528. So, I click on the link, copy the link, and go to the Word document, paste it right here. Now, I want you to go to the site called PLR. This is the site where you can find articles for free. PLR stands for Private Label Right. Yes, you can use the web content, backlink, you can sell it. You can do whatever the stuff that you wanted. If you get the huge value out of this, hit that like button. People are literally paying me to get to know about these sites. And there is a lot of stuff on the internet which you can use and make money. So, I wanted to come to this site here. I wanted to search for dating. Where you can take this articles, you can copy this and paste in the Word document. And you can upload these files in the SlideShare for free. And because these are private label rights, you can take the first one. Dating secret for men to attract women. Or can scroll down, find something like, yeah. How can you tell when you have found the right person? Can click here, you get some information. See this one. Now copy this one. In the same way, you copy the title. And paste it here. I'm going to highlight this one here. I want you to cut and paste it. We can put the link here. You can select this text, you can attach the link. Insert the links in few places, like this, right person. That's the link. That's it. When a person comes here, when they read this document, they click on this, and which is gonna redirect to this site, where they can find dating code certification. And when they buy this product, you're going to make money. So, I want you to save the document and publish on SlideShare. Now I want to come to SlideShare, and you have to come here and upload. See, this is where you can upload this document. The title will be, How You Can Tell That You Have Found the Right Person. This is the title. And you are gonna paste description. Can be something. You just drag this piece of information, copy it and paste it. Choose the category. And publish. See, the article is published. And after 1 minute, just wait. Here you can see that it already got 4 views. See, how people are coming here. If 10 people out of 10,000 members click, you make $15,000. Millions visit this site on a monthly basis. You do the maths. That's a huge for monthly basis. If you got the huge value, if you want the easy method on making money, just by watching videos, click on the top right side in the video. To watch my best video on how to make money fast, click on the link in the description. Listen, all these videos are worthless unless you take notes and put it into action.